Just a real quick video here before we wait to the trial of Abduction emergency. I just got the real message here. See, Houston, Texas, Amber Alert here. This issue today. Yep. That scared the crap out of me. See, I can do it again. Hang on a minute. See, I can duplicate it. Here we go. There we go. There we go. Now let's wait to see if we get the weather ray activation here.
Regional Amber Alert for the Houston Police Department for missing 2-year-old Jeremiah Lambert, date of birth October 18th, 2016. Jeremiah is an African-American male. He has brown hair and brown eyes and scars on his forehead. He was last seen on Calhoun Road in Houston and he was wearing jeans, a blue and white striped shirt and cowboy boots. Jeremiah was taken from his home by Prentice Curtis yesterday, November 24th. Curtis is an African-American male and is driving a blue 2010 Dodge Nitro, Texas license plate KNX4767. The child is believed to be in danger and anyone with information is asked to immediately call the Houston Police Department at 71330836000.
Wow. Oh my god, guys. I really got caught that on camera. Oh my god. You see if I can get it on the AM. Hang on a minute. I guess 748 going to broadcast the NWR. I think they did, but I missed it. But here's the scrolls in here. Here's the HH4 scroll. Yeah. It's like a second Amber Alert in the week. Yeah, of this month. Hopefully this process is found safe. Here's the Niagara right here. Scroll. It's blurry for some reason. I don't know why it's like that. Yeah. And here's the Eton Sun Guard. That scared the crap out of me here. And there it is right there. Yep. As well on my phone, so the first thing went off. You know, let me get it here. There it is. Focus, there it is. Yeah, hopefully I can get it go off again, but yeah. Let's see, you can tell 2 Amber Alerts so far on today and one's from Tuesday. So, yeah. Successful caught Amber Alert.